morning. Today my students will be explaining about the GenAI platform with this tools and projects. So shall we start?
Yes. So guys, as we know, GenAI is playing a crucial, vital role in day-to-day life for every single field and industry. AI is being used, and majorly it is used for developing a startup companies and generating content creators. It helps every single person in day-to-day life. Also, it plays a vital role for students and in every field to develop and boost up their creation and ideas. And do we have any idea further, Advaita?
Oh yes, there are many strategies in this. So for the first one is they are using LLMs and RAGs and another thing the AI agents are using nowadays. So there are several tools are making our life better because of replacing our generative AI models like ChatGPT, DALI and Llama, etc. So LLMs are which is the most wanted to produce the contest for the replying for us generating the questions, and it uses the transformer model where first one is they created a recurrent or recurrent neural networks, so which can only remember the present. It will always forget the past one, so there are for replacing that RNN they come as the LSTM, so which is the long short term memory. So it also memories the simple thoughts like it will only remember in limited ways. So for the replacing that the transformer came, so where the LLM will work there. So the further will be Harish.
Yeah, understanding the principle of Gen AI is something different, I think so, because these are actually work in a long data sets, and obtaining these data sets is very hard. Like the term which is Gen AI or AI, which was originally originated in the 1960s. The only time why it took like up to 2016 to bring back was data. So these data were actually evident right now. So that's why the sudden growth from the year 2000 to 2024 AI has been seen here. But obtaining these data is also an issue right now. Privacy issues and a lot of rules and regulation that has been followed right now makes them like these data should be collected informing the person or the agent who's involved in the data as well. So these model, let's say ChatGPT, it has been trained on many data sets, I think so, which is also containing personal information of many people. So valuing this is also important right now. And as Ajwaita discussed before, understanding these ChatGPT, how they work is also important. Like we may not create a ChatGPT itself, but we need to understand why they are creating and how they are working. They are simple things such as image creations. These create actually data sets, like these create images which is not even present in the data sets. So how do they create it? So understanding the basic concept of these was something interesting which I had learned in the new subject, which was GenAI. So let's see about them. Autoencoders and decoders. So this will be like a too technical, but autoencoders something that compress data. It creates data into something the machine understands, and the decoders recreate this data into something we can understand. By following this principle, many models such as DAE and many other came back right now which are using. LSTM is also one of those. So a simple principle like this was helpful for creating new data which is not even present in the data set that I have been trained up before. So this was something important for generation Gen AI images which is now created.
Can you explain any projects which you have done with the GenAI, like any tools?
Yes, ma'am. In past few days, we have used AI to create in AI and the Streamlight to create more content creator apps and many apps that can be generated using AI, and it has many templates in Streamlight, so a new fresher can build their own startup easily with the AI's functionalities.
Tell your perspective.
And also I have did a project on fraud detection system which is using an NATN tools. So where we can detect all the fraud emails, scams and all those things from that. So it will be like it will be detected in 1 second or 2 seconds. So it will be more better to us and also the social peoples who are using that projects.
Fine. So far we have seen the GenAI projects with explaining. So next we'll see about the case studies.